Barbados people, we always have this negative vibes about them, this negative spirit, and try to look down on other people. But you know, I wasn't gonna say anything until I see another comment from someone else from Barbados talking about Jamaica is so poor, the people them have to eat chicken when wash up on beach, where them don't know where it come from, and comparing your guys' GDP to Jamaica GDP. I know a lot of you have never been to Jamaica, so you have no idea what Jamaica is like. Is there a hell show with that container washed up? Poor people don't live a hell show. If you don't have money, you can't buy land or build a house over there. So you see the type of vehicle them where the people them drive go pick up the frozen chicken. Who don't have them vehicle there Barbados? A basic, the basic car them wanna have a Barbados. Luxury vehicle not there Barbados. Me can tell you that. When you go talk about GDP now, Jamaica debt to GDP is 68%. Barbados debt to GDP is 100%.